Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Mike Bruneau and I'm the director of the exercise science program here in CNHP. I think what makes Drexel different is our dedication towards experiential learning. We're not only preparing students for careers as they exist today, but we're thinking through thoughtfully on what those careers are going to look like into the future to make sure that our graduates are future-proofed in that way. In addition to doing co-op, which is sort of major draws to coming to Drexel, I think that our students get experience with professional service. And this involves engagement both at the regional level with organizations like the Mid-Atlantic Regional Chapter of the American College of Sports Medicine, but also other organizations like the National Strength and Conditioning Association, the National Athletic Training Association, and of course the Council for Undergraduate Research. In the exercise science major, students come in as freshmen and are entered immediately into a peer mentoring program. This is a peer-to-peer program where junior and senior level students in the program that have just gone through the exact coursework and experiences that you're going through are going to be an ally in your corner and to help you through that process to make sure that transitioning into our program can be done in as smooth as possible. So with regards to undergraduate research, we've developed what's known as a CURE program. This stands for a course-based undergraduate research experience. It's part of a 3-course sequence in which students first take research methods, then they learn how to apply which method aligns with which statistical procedure, and then they find a mentor in the college, at the university, or otherwise, and they work in those research labs to get real-world research experience with the goal of having a tangible product when they finish. This could be something like a poster or going to a conference and presenting, or even going in the realm of publishing something in a peer-reviewed academic journal. For me, Mike Bruneau, what I really try to do to help students be successful is to really tap into the power of self-awareness. Understanding what we're good at and what we're not good at is something that, from my experience, myself included, have had a really hard time owning. And I think that what I really try to do in every student interaction that I have is to learn the student on a personal level, find out what makes them tick, what they like, what they don't like, and really finding the thing really makes you feel like you're making a positive contribution to society. If you're looking for a cultural experience where you get to see not only people who may look, live, and behave like you, but also appreciate the diversity of how people might look differently, behave differently, have a different perspective on life. So what I think Philadelphia as a hub of so many academic units that we are fortunate to be part of is that it provides a mechanism for a wider worldview and a range of experiences that our students value.